Have you ever tried to quit a bad habit but your mind keeps pulling you back? Here is how to take control of your mind. First, identify the trigger. Most bad habits start with a trigger: stress, boredom, or even certain people. Once you know what triggers that habit, you can stop the cycle before it starts. Second, replace the habit. Don't just remove it. Your brain hates empty space. If you quit scrolling endlessly, replace it with reading, walking, or learning something new. Third, delay the urge. When the urge hits, tell yourself, I will wait 10 minutes. Most cravings fade if you don't act immediately. And finally, change your environment. Remove the things that makes that habit easy. If junk food is not in the house, you can't eat it. Remember, controlling your mind is not about willpower alone. It is about designing your life so bad habits become harder to repeat. Control your habits and you control your life.